Warning. This video might contain no swearing. Just walking around talking. And please don't leave a like or comment. Just give him thumbs up. Hey guys, it's Dustin here. So, yeah, I'm outside. It's kind of dark so you guys can see. It's not as dark as the camera, but it looks good, right? Sunset. Sorry, wait a minute. What? Okay. For some reason I can't zoom in. So that sucks. So, yeah, a video might contain that. So, yeah. Oh, now I can zoom in. Sunset. I'm guessing it just takes some. This. Yep. Actually, that might be my intro stuff. Just like Sky Plays Minecraft or Adam, which I want him to come over. Give me a hi. Anybody else want to come over? My house is, wait a second. 221 and in Salty. So yeah, just find that house if you want to come over. Adam, especially. So yeah, just talk to you at home. And like I said, my channel is not up yet. So yeah, my channel is not up yet. It's just my mom's channel. It's just my mom's channel. So it's I guess it's just my mom's channel. So you won't see Justin's video, just see my mom's videos or something. So don't be surprised. He's not a mom. Well, I am also a boy. Just to be everyone clear. Yeah. Cap. Okay, it's kind of over dramatic. And so, nothing. Everything. Nothing. Everything. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yeah! I feel dead. I feel dead on camera. I'm dying. I scared you guys, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Sorry if anybody was offensed by that. So yeah, sorry. Sorry for the short video, guys, but you know, I lose a video. Okay, so bye. Don't leave a like or a comment. Just give me a thumbs up. Bye.